of riding. We're at 4,000 meters, and since it's a very nice place and have good window lighting, I'm just gonna briefly show you what to pack for riding. Okay, so first is your main duffel bag. All this stuff that you don't need for riding, you'll be uploaded to like the trucks lah. Okay, second thing is for riding, right, you need to have like one waterproof bag for stuff emergency. Maybe your first aid kit, maybe your jacket, maybe things that you need but don't need to quick access one. Yeah, then thirdly is your quick access bag. So some people, right, for water, right, they put it on the tank bag or in their side bag. But for me, I like it like that. Right. Yeah. Then also inside got toilet paper, essential lah, rain gear. What other essential? Nothing, right? Okay, your passport, right? I actually put here. I think it's safe because you cinch it down, right? And just so tight. I think if someone will take away, very hard to like take time to take it away lah. So passport, all these cannot get away items will be here. Then actually that's all. A power bank here. Yeah. Then for riding gears, for me I'm wearing tights inside one base layer. Then inside is additional if it's cold lah. But so I'm using this. I don't know what brand jacket is because someone gave to me. It's the Alpine Star. Is it Alpine Star? Okay, it's not very good because it's not waterproof. So yesterday the river crossing, right, inside all wet, and it's still damp. So I don't know if you get if by some of the guys they get the good waterproof one, so you don't have to take off the rain jacket. But you need to get the one with the vents so that you just need one jacket for everything. Then my pants, this is my very good invested pants. Okay, so you see, there's two thoughts lah. So this is my waterproof pants. So when it rains, right, inside doesn't get wet. So yesterday I did river crossing, right, it's dry so I'm very good. But it's a bit hot. But in the mountains it's cold. So actually this is still like the more preferred. I'm so out of breath. Okay, any more things? If some of you are more, now you can bring extra socks in your day pack, which I don't think you need because you won't bother changing. Rain jacket, did I say already? Say more. Sunscreen, moisturizer, wet wipes, tissue paper, and water. These are your essentials cause very dry. Balaclava. What's that?
Lotion.
Oh yeah, sunscreen, lotion, and then moisturizer lah. Right. Okay, then the balaclava to cannot breathe because sometimes my visor cannot will fog up. It's not anti-fogging, so I will have to up a bit, but the sand will come in. So I use the thing lah. There's my sunglass. Sunglass very important. If not, your eyes will get blind. Okay, thank you. I'm tired.